What's the best way to enjoy a sweet potato for maximum health benefits? Sweet potatoes are nutritious and a source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In fact, just one medium-sized sweet potato provides over 100% of your daily vitamin A needs, around 25% of your daily fiber intake, and plenty of other important nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Plus, sweet potatoes are low in calories, with just about 100 calories per serving, making them an excellent choice for a healthy diet. The best ways to prepare sweet potatoes. To get the most health benefits from sweet potatoes, it's important to prepare them in a way that preserves their nutrients. Here are some of the best methods. 1. Baking. Baking is one of the healthiest ways to cook sweet potatoes. It retains most of their nutrients while bringing out their natural sweetness. To bake a sweet potato, simply wash it, pierce the skin a few times with a fork, and bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, or until it's soft. You can enjoy it plain or with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of olive oil. 2. Steaming. Steaming sweet potatoes helps retain their nutrients, especially water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Cut the sweet potato into chunks, place them in a steamer basket over boiling water, cover, and steam for about 15 to 20 minutes until tender. Steamed sweet potatoes are great as a side dish or mashed with a little butter or coconut oil. 3. Boiling. Boiling sweet potatoes is another good option, but some nutrients can be lost in the cooking water. To minimize this, keep the cooking time short and use just enough water to cover the sweet potatoes. Boil them until they're tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. You can use boiled sweet potatoes in soups, stews, or as a base for mashed sweet potatoes. 4. Roasting. Roasting sweet potatoes at a high temperature caramelizes their natural sugars, making them extra tasty. To roast, cut the sweet potatoes into cubes or wedges, toss with a little olive oil, and spread them out on a baking sheet. Roast in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes, turning halfway through. Roasted sweet potatoes make a delicious addition to salads, grain bowls, or as a side dish. Healthy toppings and pairings. To enhance the flavor and nutritional value of sweet potatoes, try pairing them with healthy toppings. Here are a few ideas. 1. Cinnamon and nutmeg. Sprinkle these warming spices on baked or roasted sweet potatoes for added flavor and a boost of antioxidants. 2. Greek yogurt and nuts. Top a baked sweet potato with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a handful of chopped nuts for a creamy, crunchy, and protein-rich meal. 3. Avocado and lime. For a fresh and zesty twist, mash some avocado and spread it on top of a baked sweet potato, then squeeze a bit of lime juice over it. 4. Black beans and salsa. Make a hearty and nutritious meal by topping a baked sweet potato with black beans, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. How often should you eat sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes are versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. Aim to include them in your diet a few times a week to reap their full health benefits. Whether as a side dish, a main course, or even in desserts like sweet potato pie, they're a delicious and nutritious choice. To get the maximum health benefits from sweet potatoes, try baking, steaming, boiling, or roasting them. Pair them with nutrient-dense toppings and include them in your diet regularly. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also a source of essential vitamins and minerals that support your overall health. Enjoy them as a tasty way to boost your nutrition. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more captivating content and the latest updates.